How to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely, Windows 11. Let's just say that you have downloaded the Epic Games installer from the Epic Games website, which is an MSI file. But upon starting the setup, an error comes up saying that the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. What we can do here is go to the control panel and search for power options. And on the left hand side, click on choose what the power buttons do. Click the shield button here and toggle off the turn on fast startup to turn off the bloated Windows installation. Save changes and restart your PC. Once your PC boots up, try to run the installer again. If it still doesn't work, go to the installed apps and uninstall both the Epic Games Launcher and Epic Online Services here. You might also need to delete any other files associated with Epic Games in your Program Files and Program Files 86. And try launching the setup again. If that still didn't work, you may download the Epic Games from the Microsoft Store instead of getting the setup from the website. If that still didn't work, type in Run in your Windows search bar and click on Browse. And make sure that all files are selected here to see the MSI file. Locate the Epic installer and click OK. If that still didn't work, you may go to the Task Manager and run a new task here. And do the same as earlier by browsing the installer. Make sure that the administrative privileges is turned on here. This should install it properly. If it's still not working on your end, you might check your internet connection to see if it's stable, or you may use a VPN or connect it to a mobile hotspot during only the setup phase of Epic Games, so that it doesn't give an error of Setup Wizard ended prematurely. And that is how to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.